You spend time creating content on LinkedIn, you write a thoughtful post, it gets great engagement, and then days later, it's completely buried in your feed. But LinkedIn gives you a permanent spot right at the top of your profile to showcase your absolute best work. It's called the featured section, and maybe you've even used it and forgot about it. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to add, edit, reorder, and remove featured content. Hi. I'm Marta, creator of Accountabilibuddies and digital marketing consultant, where I help small business owners optimize their online presence. Your featured section sits right below your About section, which means it's one of the first things a potential client or collaborator sees the moment they land on your profile. Unlike a regular post that disappears into the feed within days, featured content stays pinned and visible at the top. So here's how to use the featured section on your LinkedIn business page. We'll run through how to do this on your personal page later. Click on your profile picture and select your business page. Then you're going to come over here to Edit Page in the left-hand column, and you're going to go to Featured and then Manage Featured. Here you can click the plus icon here, or you can click Feature a Post and scroll through and select a recent piece of content. This is where you would come to later if you want to add, reorder, or remove a featured piece of content. Now, to add a featured section to your personal LinkedIn profile, on your personal profile, click the Add Section button and then go to Add Featured. And again, you can go here to this plus icon. Here you can add a feature like a post, an article, an external link, such as your website or a portfolio or press mention. You can upload a media file like an image or a PDF document or presentation. If you want to edit any of this section in the future, just come back here to add, remove, and reorder your featured content. A couple of quick tips. Try to revisit your featured section every couple of months. I suggest once a quarter. You don't want this content to become dated. And if you've been featured in a publication, finished a new project, or created a piece of content you're especially proud of, this is where you should add it. Think like a visitor to your page. Ask yourself, if someone had 30 seconds on my profile, what's the one thing I'd want them to see? And feature that. If you found this video helpful, please drop a like. It generally helps more small business owners find this channel, and I really appreciate it. And if consistently showing up online is something you struggle with, I would love to invite you to check out Accountabilibuddies. It's a community of small business owners where we do weekly accountability calls, share fresh content ideas, and lift each other up through all things social media. Your first month is completely free, so you can try it out. I'll link in the description below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.